Teaching is a work of art and learning is always fun because the process is more enjoyable and memorable. Hi, my name is Noor. I live in United Arab Emirates. I completed my master's degree in computer applications and I also got a diploma in software management. Now I am working as an online tutor. I have been teaching computer science for various curriculums and wide variety of programming languages for the past 20 years. I am compassionate, flexible, and friendly. I really love teaching because teaching is my passion. My mission is to help as many students in learning and their academic success. I like to impart my knowledge and inspire them to reach their fullest potential. I would make sure that every class would be full of fun and learning at the same time. I hope to see you in one of my class. Thank you.